Hello, I'm in a 2010 Ford Escape, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then on the passenger side you should see this reservoir. This will be the main area you ever add to. And double check your owner's manual or good online source that your particular coolant is the best fit for your make and model. But on the side here you should see like a full and a low, so you do want some air gap, so you don't want it all the way full to the top. And when you do work with this system, make sure the vehicle's turned off and it's cooled down, just because this liquid sometimes can get to a boil and you don't want this poisonous liquid to shoot out onto you, especially when it's under pressure. So sometimes these lines can be under pressure. With that said, you just push and twist until this pops off. And then here, either with a funnel or straight from your coolant jug, you can add as needed till you get to your max line. So again, don't fill all the way to the top, just around here or so. And then screw this back on nice and tight when you're done. And I would double check around your engine bay, around all your lines, around the radiator for any possible cracks or leaks. Which way to test that is I would turn the vehicle on, and since it's under pressure, you would probably start to see some coolant puddling around the engine bay or under the vehicle. And a way to tell that apart from, say, water condensation is the coolant should have a slight coloration to it. It should have a slight sweetness smell, and you don't want it on your skin, but say you have a glove and you feel it, it'll have a slight slickness feel to it versus what water would feel like. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.